Hello everyone. Let's figure out the lakes of Asia continent. So let's draw the map first. This part is Black Sea, Azov Sea. Over here we have Caspian Sea, and this part over here we have Aral Sea. So let us see the important lakes. Since in the continent Asia we have some bigger seas as well, for example this Caspian Sea. So we'll see the countries also surrounding the sea called Caspian Sea. And over here is Sumatra. Obviously I told you that Strait of Malacca is here, and equator will pass through this part, and over here the group of islands country Maldives is there. Anyway, so let's see the lakes now. Starting with the, since Israel is in news, so on the eastern coast of West Bank, if you see, this country is Israel, and over here we have a lake on the eastern coast of West Bank, and obviously on the eastern side is the country is Jordan. So there is a lake called Dead Sea, or call it a sea, which is Dead Sea, a water body called Dead Sea, which is between Israel and Jordan. So this Dead Sea, in fact you study about this sea in oceanography when we talk about the water bodies having highest salinity. So this is one among the water bodies which have the highest salinity. Anyway, so Dead Sea. Then moving further, you can see this water body, Caspian Sea. So let me write somewhere here about this sea, Caspian Sea. कैस्पियन सी को अगर आप देखोगे तो इस साइड से you'll find कि ईरान इज देयर, दिस कंट्री इज ईरान. ये कंट्री आपको याद हो तो ईरान है ये. Iran is there. From this side we have country called Turkmenistan. This country is Turkmenistan. And then this country is a big country called Kazakhstan, and from this side we have a country called Russia, and over here a small country, this small country is Azerbaijan. अगर आपको याद हो तो अजरबैजान मैंने बताया था कि कैस्पियन कोस्ट पे वी हैव डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ द पेट्रोलियम रिजर्व्स एज वेल एज द ऑयल रिजर्व्स. सो इस कोस्ट पे वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द यूरोपियन मैप द रिसोर्सेज ऑफ यूरोप. Anyway, so Caspian Sea, if I write it in anti-clockwise manner, is starting from Iran, so it is Iran, then Turkmenistan, and then Kazakhstan, and then Russia, and then Azerbaijan. These are the countries which are surrounding this water body, present almost in the Central Asia. Okay, then you must have heard of a very important lake present over here. This lake is called Lake Baikal. So जब rivers की बात करेंगे तो I'll tell you कि from this Lake Baikal एक river originate होती है, north flowing river, and that river is called River Lena. So River Lena originates from Lake Baikal, and this Lake Baikal is present in southern part of Russia. ये रशिया और चाइना ऐसे कुछ है, ये यहाँ पे लेक बैकाल है. यस, ओके, तो लेक बैकाल. देन another lake, another important lake, rather I would say, over here, Lake Toba. मैंने इस लेक को ऐसे सिमिलर लेक को मैंने डिस्कस किया है जब मैंने वॉल्केनो टॉपिक डिस्कस किया है. इफ यू हैव सीन दी प्लेलिस्ट, वन प्लेलिस्ट इज रिलेटेड टू द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ऑफ ज्योग्राफी. सो उसमें मैंने लेक टोबा डिस्कस किया है. रादर आई हैव डिस्कस्ड क्रेटर लेक, क्रेटर और कैल्डेरा लेक, which is formed by the volcanic eruption. So Lake Toba in Indonesia is an example of crater और caldera lake. क्रेटर और कैल्डेरा लेक क्या होती है मैंने डिटेल में वॉल्केनो टॉपिक में डिस्कशन किया हुआ है. That is already there, a video is already there related to volcano. अगर आपको ये आइलैंड का नाम पता हो तो इंडोनेशिया कंट्री का पार्ट है आइलैंड कॉल्ड सुमात्रा. यस, सो लेक टोबा, डेड सी, देन ये छोटा सा सी बच गया है अरल सी, दिस वन, ये वाला सी अरल सी. अरल सी के नॉर्थ में इज कजाकिस्तान एंड साउथ में इट इज उज्बेकिस्तान. सो अरल सी, कजाकिस्तान इज इन नॉर्थ, एंड इस साइड में आप देखोगे तो उज्बेकिस्तान यहां पर आपको मिलेगा. ज़ेड ओके, छोटी सी कंट्री उज्बेकिस्तान है. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द लेक्स ऑफ एशिया. सिंस रिवर्स ऑफ एशिया, there are many rivers that we have to talk about, so we'll take that in a separate video. This is all for the day. Thank you so much.